For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Starting a vending machine business can be a low-overhead, scalable, and profitable side hustle or full-time venture. With the integration of AI tools, you can optimize every stage of your vending operation, from choosing the best products and locations to automating inventory and boosting sales. This guide walks you through the process step by step, using AI to help you launch smarter and scale faster. Step 1. Understand the vending machine business model. Before investing in machines or products, it's important to grasp the fundamentals of the business. You buy vending machines, new or used, and stock them with products. You place them in high-traffic areas like offices, schools, hospitals, or gyms. You earn money each time someone purchases an item. Revenue depends on product pricing, machine placement, and foot traffic. AI helps improve each of these by making smarter decisions based on data. Step 2. Conduct market research using AI tools. Use AI to determine the best vending niches, products, and local competition. Google Trends and ChatGPT. Analyze what snacks, drinks, or even niche items, e.g. electronics, PPE, CBD, are trending in your area. Prompt example. What vending machine products are most popular in urban Florida in 2025? AI competitive analysis tools like Crayon or SimilarWeb. Monitor competitors, pricing strategies, and identify underserved locations. A location intelligence AI like Placer.ai or SiteZeus predict foot traffic, peak hours, and customer demographics for ideal vending spots. Step 3. Create a business plan with AI help. AI can streamline the creation of your business plan. Use ChatGPT or Copy.ai to draft your mission, goals, and operation strategy. Use Notion AI or Tome to visualize your plan with graphs, timelines, and pitch decks. Include executive summary, startup costs, target market, location strategy, AI-powered competitive advantage, sales and growth projections. Step 4. Choose the right type of vending machine. There are many kinds of vending machines, from classic snack/drink models to modern smart machines. Use AI tools to compare models. ChatGPT or U.com. Compare vending machine models by features, reviews, and ROI. Prompt. Compare combo vending machines under $4,000 with remote monitoring features. Types of machines. Snack and beverage machines. Combo machines. Healthy food vending machines. Specialty machines, toys, tech, PPE. Step 5. Use AI to analyze and predict profitable locations. Location is everything. AI can help you predict high-performing sites. Foot traffic heat maps with tools like Orbital Insight or Placer.ai. Geofencing analytics. Predict busy times and footfall. AI site selection models. Use ChatGPT to create models based on criteria like average dwell time, nearby amenities, and consumer behavior. Example. Find ideal vending machine locations near universities in Miami based on foot traffic and snack consumption habits. Step 6. Secure machines and inventory. Now that you've chosen machine types and locations, source your machines. Use platforms like eBay, Craigslist, Vending.com, or Facebook Marketplace. Use AI chatbots like Tidio AI or ChatGPT to negotiate deals, write emails to suppliers, or compare prices. For inventory, use AI-based demand forecasting with tools like Inventory Planner, Forecastly, or even Excel plus ChatGPT integration to predict how much to stock and when. Step 7. Get licenses, permits, and insurance. Depending on your state and city, you may need business license, sales tax permit, food handling permits, liability insurance. Use AI legal bots like Do Not Pay, ChatGPT, or LegalZoom AI assistant to help. Generate checklists. Draft standard contracts with property owners. Navigate local laws efficiently. Step 8. Install machines and use AI for smart monitoring. Place your machines in pre-approved locations and make sure they're securely installed. Once active, AI tools can help with Remote monitoring systems like Vinsoft, Nayax, or Parlevel. Track real-time inventory. Get alerts when stock is low or a machine malfunctions. Predict restocking needs. Maintenance AI. Use predictive maintenance software to identify issues before machines break down. Set up automated alerts for temperature control, jams, or low coin reserves. Step 9. Optimize pricing and inventory with AI analytics. AI tools can dynamically adjust prices based on sales velocity, time of day/week, seasonality, local events or promotions. Use tools like Vinsoft AI, Power BI plus AI plugins, Zapier plus ChatGPT integration to build custom dashboards and alerts. Also, use ChatGPT to generate weekly reports or recommendations. Prompt. Based on the last 2 weeks of vending sales data, which products should I restock more frequently? Step 10. Market your vending business. Even vending needs a little marketing to get prime placements and expand. Use AI email assistants like Flowrite, Copy.ai, or ChatGPT to draft pitch emails for property managers. Build a simple business website with AI site builders like Durable.co, 10web, or Wix AI. Use ChatGPT to generate social media content, product flyers, and digital ads targeting gyms, offices, or schools. Step 11. Expand and scale using AI automation. Once profitable, scale with the help of AI. Route optimization. Use AI tools like OptimoRoute or Circuit Route Planner to minimize travel time during refills. Hiring help. Use AI screening tools like HireVue or ChatGPT plus LinkedIn to create job ads and vet local contractors. Automated bookkeeping. Use AI software like QuickBooks AI, Zoho Books, or Wave to manage revenue, costs, and tax filings. Step 12. Stay ahead of the curve with AI trends. Finally, keep learning and adapting using AI. Set up Google Alerts or use AI-powered news summarizers like Feedly AI to monitor industry trends. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm new business angles like organic snacks-only machines, phone charging stations, sustainable packaging incentives. Prompt example. What are the emerging trends in the vending machine industry for 2025? Final thoughts. By integrating AI into every stage of your vending machine business, from research and planning to inventory and scaling, you can make smarter decisions, save time, and maximize profit. It's no longer about just filling machines with chips and soda. With AI, you're building a data-driven micro-enterprise with the potential to scale fast and run lean. Start small, use AI smartly, and watch your vending empire grow. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.